Hey, it's Rich here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I sleep in my 2017 Honda CR-V. Okay, so first I'll show you the view looking in the back hatch. So you can see my bed there on the right. The bed is, what I use is a 3-inch thick piece of foam rubber. It's 72 inches long, 24 inches wide. I bought it at Home Depot. I think it was like $26 or so, something like that. So it goes all the way up to the front seat. Like I said, it's 72 inches long. I'm 5'6" tall, and it's very comfortable for me. If you were a pretty tall person, though, it might be a little short. And so what I do is I put sheets on it and blanket like a bed. I don't really like sleeping in a sleeping bag. So I'll try to show you here. I got the blanket on there, and I pull it back, and I got the sheets. And there you can see the foam rubber, 3 inches thick. And I think this is the same type of beds you have in a lot of RVs and campers and things. I mean, just foam rubber 3 inches thick, and it works really well. It's pretty comfortable. I really like it. And so again, I just put sheets on it like a bed. So that's the bed, and then on this side I've got enough room for all of my stuff. Just barely enough room on that side. And that's the view from the back. All right, so now I'll show you from the side door. And you can see my bed there, front of the bed. And as you can see, I have the rear seats folded down, and the mattress actually extends beyond the seats. So what I did was, it turns out that this cooler is the perfect size to go on the floor and then use to set the top of the bed on. See, it's just perfect. If you fold back the mattress here, it fits perfect, and it works well to support the front of the bed. It's a Coleman C-Tech Excursion 30-quart cooler, and like I say, it's like the perfect size for right here to support the bed. Now, to get to the cooler during the day when I'm not sleeping, I fold the mattress back like this and just throw the pillow on it to hold it back. There you can see the foam rubber mattress. So during the day, I just keep that like that so I can get to the cooler. And there, cooler opens, and you've got easy access to the cooler. Okay, so another thing I did is I put this carpet down over the back seats and the bed and all that underneath, and I even bought carpet padding, and I've even put multiple layers of the carpet pad under the carpet. Now the carpet, I actually found a piece that was finished on the edges with this finished part, and it was just happened to be the perfect size to fit, the perfect width. But then, as you can see towards the back, I had to cut it to make it fit and go around the wheel wells all the way back. So it's just kind of cut in the back, not finished, but it's great up here at the front. It's got a nice edge to it. What I did with the carpet pad, I actually left an extra piece that I put over the cooler, just kind of some extra padding over the cooler when I put the mattress over it. I put multiple layers of carpet pad. At first I was thinking maybe I could just sleep on this, it'd be good enough, but it's still not very soft like a bed, so the mattress foam works really well. And regarding the foam mattress, I used to use one of those inflatable, self-inflating mattresses. It was like 2 inches thick, and it was good. And the nice thing about that, you could deflate it and roll it up, and it was pretty small rolled up, but it leaked right away. I don't live in my car, but I sleep in it a lot of weekends going on trips, and it got a leak pretty quickly. I don't know how durable those things are. And so the nice thing about the foam rubber is that it's durable. When I travel, I pile things just on top of the bed, and I don't have to worry about poking a hole in it. So that's another advantage of the foam rubber. The disadvantage, though, is if you try to roll up this foam rubber, it's really pretty big, so it takes up a lot of space. But like I say, I just leave it down almost all the time now. And then the bed's made, and I just kind of move things aside at night to sleep in it. The other thing I got are these fans. They're small 5-inch diameter, battery powered by 2D batteries. I've got one there and one there, and those are really nice at night to keep air circulating. I got them on Amazon. I'll try to put a link to that, to where I got it. I think they were only like $8 or $10 or something like that. So they actually work pretty well, but you do have to buy D batteries. Batteries probably last, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 nights before you have to replace them. Here's another view of the cooler supporting the front of the mattress. I've got a little wider angle lens going here so you can see it better. The other thing I have are on the windows. I use these screens, nylon screens that just pull over. You can see the elastic there, and they just pull over the window for at night to keep the bugs out. And then what I also really like is they're dark. Since they're black, they darken the inside of the car. And then also you can't really see inside from the outside with this black. You just open the door and then slip them over. They're really great. I need to, it's pretty hot out here. I need to get a set for the front as well. Luckily, there's not a lot of bugs where I'm at right now. They've been great. So I'm going to get another set for the front. Again, I got them on Amazon. I'll try to put a link as to where I got those. All right, so on this side, here's my nylon screen on this side. Again, it's just elastic, pulls over open the door, pull it over the window. Another thing, I have a bunch of these flashlights. They're just like $2.50 or $3 at like Home Depot, Walmart. They come with the battery. I bought like 4 of them, and I just have them all over the car. I do things like that for at night, for light. I keep them all over the place. It's always good to have a flashlight at night. Another thing is that on this side, I always try to keep this space open. It does, get pretty crowded in here with stuff, but I always insist on keeping this space open because it's just nice to be able to sit here and put your feet down. It's really the only place you can kind of sit and then stretch out with the cooler on that side. So here again, you can see the carpet with the carpet pad I have. And then here you can see inside the car looking backwards. Again, the bed. When I remove the pillow and just fold the bed down, goes over the cooler that way. Just barely fits, like I say, 72-inch mattress. I always put the seats forward when I'm sleeping at night, just to have more room back here. And there you go. That's how I sleep in my 2017 Honda CR-V. It's pretty comfortable. Okay, and then one last thing, and I'm working on this. I have an idea. What I want to do is get one of those cargo netting, just a small cargo net of the kind of bungee type cords, and hang it maybe up against the ceiling. So then hang it from these hooks, and that hook in the back and that hook just kind of on that corner, so I can stuff things that'll, like clothes and things, to hold it against the roof, just to kind of get stuff out of the way. I don't want to do it on this side because I like the headroom for when I sit up in bed, but on that side I'm thinking it'd be great to be able to have like a top shelf type thing, and I'm thinking some cargo netting somehow. So I'm working on that. If I get something that works, I'll make another video to show that. All right, there you go. That's how I sleep in my 2017 Honda CR-V. If you liked the video, please press the like button. I'd appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.